what are the types of sex-linked inheritance? These are three types. X-linked inheritance, or also known as crisscross inheritance, Y-linked inheritance, also known as Hollandric inheritance, XY-linked inheritance. This is also known as incompletely sex-linked inheritance. Let us discuss one after another. X-linked genes. The genes located on non-homologous region of X chromosome are called X-linked genes. This may be the recessive or dominant. Accordingly, the inheritance is called X-linked recessive or X-linked dominant inheritance. Genes are located on non-homologous region of X chromosome. Called X-linked genes and not located on Y chromosome. This may be, and the traits expressed by these genes are called X-linked traits. The transmission or inheritance of these traits of these genes or traits called X-linked inheritance. But these traits are not inherited directly from mother to daughter or father to son. These traits are inherited in a zigzag manner. How the trait is transmitted? Generally, the recessive trait. Okay, these X-linked traits may be dominant or recessive. This may be dominant or recessive, and recessive, X-linked recessive is more common. And these X-linked recessive traits, they inherit in a zigzag manner. How the traits are inherited from the grandparents to grandchildren of same sex through the offspring of opposite sex. That's why it is called crisscross inheritance. Okay, that means that if the father is having the trait, then it goes to the grandson through his daughter, or vice versa. If the mother is having the disorder, then it goes to the granddaughter through her son. And females are expressing these traits when both the genes become mutant. Females inherit or express, females inherit when they have homozygous mutant allele. Homozygous mutant allele. Whereas males, they inherit this disorder in hemizygous condition. Hemizygous because only one X chromosome is there in males, but in females two X chromosomes. So if both the genes, both the mutant alleles are found in homozygous, if the alleles are found in homozygous condition, then only the females express these traits, whereas males in homozygous condition they express. And as I told, these are these recessive traits. Okay, these recessive traits inherit from grandfather to grandson of grandparent. We can write down grandparent to grandchild of same sex through the offspring of opposite sex. It may be diandric, dia means through, diandric, or diagynic. Diandric means when the trait is passing from the mother to son to granddaughter. Digynic means dia means through, andric means son. So at the center son is there. Diandric. Like that. Digynic means the center person is the daughter. Here from father to his daughter and from his daughter to his grandson. So criss-cross inheritance, the X-linked inheritance is also known as criss-cross inheritance because the most common one is the X-linked recessive traits. X-linked recessive trait is more common. And females inherit these traits when they have the homozygous mutant alleles, whereas males inherit in hemizygous condition of the mutant allele. Mutant allele, that is recessive. Okay, to understand the criss-cross inheritance, let us do one cross. Let us take the example of color blindness. Suppose the normal woman when married with a colorblind man. The phenotypes I wrote. So what is the genotype? We will write like this. Here are the parents. The gametes are you see the women required in females if the genotype is homozygous, if both the alleles are recessive, homozygous recessive, then only the trait is expressed. But you see here only one of the allele is mutant. Let us take this is dominant normal gene and this is colorblind means this is a recessive mutant recessive gene, mutant allele. This is a recessive. Okay, so you see both the sons are normal. Here is the normal son. These two are normal son. When both the X chromosomes of a female, both the genes, okay, X-linked genes, if both the X-linked genes are normal, dominant, then the expression is normal. If both are homozygous recessive, that means both the allele are mutant allele, both are recessive, homozygous recessive, then they express the trait. Means becomes the colorblind. When only one allele, mutant allele or recessive gene allele is there, then the woman is said to be carrier woman. Carrier, said to be carrier daughter or carrier woman, whatever. But in the male, because only one X chromosome is there is no such carrier. In male, these are the different phenotype of the females. In females, in males, one is normal. This is normal phenotype and this is the affected, colorblind. Okay, so here are the carrier daughters. Okay, suppose in F2 generation, this is F1 generation. F1 generation. If this carrier daughter marries a normal man, small cross, okay, normal man, then what happens? Normal daughter, okay, then carrier daughter, then affected colorblind son, this is normal son, this is colorblind son. Normal daughter, the carrier daughter, carrier, normal son, colorblind son. You see how one generation is skipped. Here is the father is colorblind, then daughter is carrier, father is colorblind, then grandson is colorblind. This is how the crisscross occurs. Okay. Y-linked inheritance are also known as Hollandric inheritance. Why? Because the Y-linked genes, okay, what are Y-linked genes? The genes located on non-homologous region of Y chromosome are known as Y-linked genes. These genes, they are transmitted or inherited from father to son only. That means male to male. That's why these genes are also known as Hollandric genes. The expression of these genes are called the Hollandric traits. The traits expressed by these genes are called Y-linked traits or Hollandric traits. The inheritance of these genes or inheritance of these traits is called Y-linked inheritance or Hollandric inheritance. These genes are not located on X chromosome. They are restricted to the male specific region of Y chromosome. Okay? And the examples are hypertrichosis and porcupine man. Yes, write down these points. The example hypertrichosis. While the example of a Y-linked trait or inheritance is hypertrichosis. Hyper means excessive. Trichosis, growth of the hair. Excessive growth of hair on ear pinna of the man. Or porcupine man means thick skin with straight and stiff hair on the body. Quill-like hair on the body. Okay? What I told? Quill-like. Quill-like hair on body. That is straight and stiff hair. Yes, remember one thing. The X-linked genes and Y-linked genes, they do not undergo pairing or crossing over during the meiosis. What I am saying? The X-linked genes and Y-linked genes, they do not undergo pairing or crossing over. Pairing and crossing over. Okay, pairing and crossing over during meiosis. If this one is the, see, if this is the X chromosome and this is the Y chromosome, okay, as we know, they are having the homologous region, that is the pseudo-autosomal region. Okay, pseudo-autosomal region 1, pseudo-autosomal region 2. These are the homologous region. What are these? Pseudo-autosomal region pair 1 and pseudo-autosomal region part 2. Okay, these are homologous. But about what I am saying, X-linked genes, where they are present, the X-linked genes are present within this non-homologous region. This is this from this to this area. Here is the centromeres. This region is X-linked genes are present over here. X-linked region, X-linked genes are located in this region. Here in the Y chromosome, this is, remember I am saying X chromosome and Y chromosome. This is the Y-linked, this is the region where Y-linked genes are located. This region is known as male specific region. Male specific region, okay, of Y. Male specific region of Y region, or a male specific region of Y chromosome. This is the specific to the X-linked genes. Okay, they never undergo pairing or crossing over. As we know, the homologous chromosomes, they undergo pairing, and this is crossing over. How they do crossing over during the meiosis? This does not take place. Which portion is undergo the pairing and the crossing over? The PAR, pseudo-autosomal region, which occurs in for the XY linked genes. Okay, remember this point. This is XY linked inheritance. The inheritance of XY linked gene is called XY linked inheritance, or the inheritance of XY linked trait is called XY linked inheritance. So first of all, what is XY linked gene? The genes located on homologous region of X and Y chromosome are called the XY linked gene. In contrast to X linked and Y linked, the genes X and Y linked genes are located on non-homologous region of X and Y chromosome respectively. But here the genes are present or located on the homologous region of the X and Y chromosome. This region, homologous region, is also known as pseudo-autosomal region. So the genes are also known as pseudo-autosomal genes. Why it is called incompletely sex-linked? Because these pseudo-autosomal regions, they undergo pairing or they undergo crossover during the meiosis. Okay? These genes are also known as XY linked genes, which are found on the homologous region, okay, of X and Y chromosome, also known as pseudo-autosomal genes, also known as incompletely sex-linked. Why? Also known as incompletely sex-linked genes. Incompletely sex-linked genes as this region undergoes okay, the pseudo-autosomal region undergoes the pairing and crossing over. Pairing and crossing over, crossover during meiosis, that occurs. That's why, remember this, why these are called incompletely sex-linked inheritance or incompletely sex-linked gene. What type of gene? Based on that, the inheritance, name of the inheritance is given. These genes are also known as incompletely sex-linked genes because these regions undergo pairing. Okay, zygote, that is the one of the phase of the prophase 1 of the meiosis. Then as these regions undergo pairing or crossing over. Okay, and traits are also known as X-linked or pseudo-autosomal or incompletely sex-linked traits. Inheritance is same. And example, total blindness. Nothing can be seen by the person. Nephritis, the inflammation of the kidney. Xeroderma pigmentosum means highly sensitive to ultraviolet light, ultraviolet rays. Okay. Even cancers in part pseudo-autosomal region, genes for, these are sex-linked genes. Okay. Sex-linked genes expressing somatic characters, somatic or non-sexual characters. As we know, the genes that are located on the autosomes, they express the somatic character. But here, the sex chromosomes already we discussed. So far we are discussing this only, that the sex-linked genes, that are the genes located on the sex chromosomes. Okay, one of the sex chromosomes which are responsible for the expression of some somatic characters. So that's why in the homologous region of X and Y chromosome, they carry the genes for autosomal, the genes for somatic characters, non-sexual characters. So this region are named pseudo-autosomal, false autosome. Pseudo means false. Is it? Pseudo means false. Then why it is incompletely sex-linked? Let me tell you. Why it is X-linked, you might be getting the gene present in both. That means the pseudo-autosomal genes, you can get another point, pseudo-autosomal genes, pseudo-autosomal or XY-linked, XY-linked genes may be homozygous or heterozygous. Homozygous or heterozygous means the alleles, means the alleles, genes. Means we can say the alleles or these genes. Okay, alleles may be homozygous, means they may be similar or they may be different form of that gene. Am I clear? The alleles may be homozygous or heterozygous in this region. Why it is called incompletely sex-linked? Sex-link, sex linkage. The word derived from sex linkage. Linkage means what? The genes of a chromosome remain linked during the segregation of the chromosomes or the sister chromatids, or during the meiosis when the gametes are formed, the genes remain linked. The genes of a particular specific chromosomes remain linked. But except this region, because the PAR undergoes this region, PAR undergoes pairing and crossing over. During meiosis. This region, in this pseudo-autosomal region, there may be the exchange of genes takes place. Exchange of alleles, that exchange of genes takes place. That's why incompletely sex-linked. Incompletely sex-linked. These are sex-linked, but they do not remain completely linked. Okay, they may be exchanged. There may be the genetic recombination In which region? In the pseudo-autosomal region. The genes are called pseudo-autosomal genes, and they may undergo the pairing and crossing over, so which leads to exchange of, which leads to exchange, leads to exchange and recombination of genes. Recombination of genes alleles are the different forms of the gene, so we can also use gene. Exchange of genes occurs in between the X and Y chromosome of that pseudo-autosomal region. The genes of or pseudo-autosomal genes, they may recombine or exchange from one chromosome to another chromosome. That's why they are incompletely sex linked. Understood? Okay. What we discussed so far? In this section, we discuss the sex-linked inheritance. That is, that the inheritance of a trait which is determined by the genes located on one of the sex chromosome is called sex-linked inheritance. In diploid organisms, sexually reproducing diploid organisms, there are two types of chromosomes are found, that is autosome and sex chromosomes. That genes the present on autosome, or we can say autosomes carry the genes for somatic characters and sex chromosomes carry the genes for sexual characters. But some genes present on that are located on the sex chromosomes which express or determine the non-sexual or somatic characters are called sex-linked genes, and the traits expressed by these genes are called sex-linked traits, and the inheritance of sex-linked traits is called the sex-linked inheritance, which are of three types: X-linked, Y-linked and XY-linked. X-linked inheritance is also known as criss-cross inheritance because the X-linked recessive traits, they inherit in a zigzag manner that we have discussed, that may be diandric or digynic, and the Y-linked inheritance is also known as a holandric inheritance because that traits, these holandric traits means, or the Y-linked traits are inherited from father to son only. So only from male to male, that's why holandric gene, holandric trait and holandric inheritance. And XY linked inheritance because the genes which are located on the homologous region of X and Y chromosome, that is in the pseudo-autosomal region, they express the somatic characters, and are also inheritance is also known as XY linked or pseudo-autosomal or incompletely sex linked inheritance.